Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to withdraw money from your Voya 401k. Now, usually you cannot withdraw money from your account before the retirement age that is specified in your plan, you know? And after you do reach the retirement age, you can actually request withdrawal forms by calling customer service or through their website on Voya, right? But if you do want to withdraw early, there is one option. So you basically use the hardship withdrawal 401k. You fill in that form, okay? So you just fill that form in, you print it out, fill it in, and then you submit it. Now, you can speak with their customer service to request this, right, on this number, a 1-800-348-2272, okay? So, basically, you are either requesting a 401k withdrawal form or a 401k hardship withdrawal form, okay? And that way you can withdraw. Now, if you're doing the normal withdrawal, you need to have reached the retirement age, all right? So it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.